Hey, what's going on, guys? That was awkward. I'm trying to change it up, that's why. Today, guys, the thermostat housing came in, so I'm gonna go pick it up at O'Reilly's. And I think this is leaking really bad right here. This hose is already ripped. Did it? Yeah. It's leaking under here really bad. And I go like that, and it just leaks.
It's coming from the hose, or?
I hope. I'm at O'Reilly's, guys. I'm gonna pick up the housing. Let's see. The hazmat. They didn't even have, it's not gonna work. They didn't have my thermostat, guys. They had a aluminum, and the one I got is cast iron. I guess the people at O'Reilly's mess with what, a company, right? Yeah. Some brand name Dorman. I guess they gave me an aluminum one. They switched it there, so I'm gonna have to RTV it and put a new radiator hose because it looks like it's leaking there. So right now, guys, I'm gonna drain it. The little, what is it, a butterfly? I'm gonna try to twist that little thing under here. It's right under there.
Does it go straight down or no?
This little thing right here. What this, Uncle, this thing is seized on there. It's plastic too. Oh, look, it's moving. It was gonna be left, right? So wait, hold on, I'm looking at it upside down. That's why I am going right. So it's left, no?
The top to you. The top of it to, no, the other way, the other way.
The other way? Because I was going this way, right? Is this the right way then, right? I felt like I'm breaking it. Now I was going the right way, guys. Shit. This is from a Chrysler. This is a 3-core radiator. The neck, my neck, the outlet, it's supposed to be like right there, going straight to the pump. But I guess they Frankensteined it so that it goes all the way. And I think that's too much, right? I'm surprised it doesn't overheat with all that extra hose, or no? It won't overheat. Now we're draining it, guys. I'm gonna take off the hose clamp. Radiator fluid. This fucker's deep, man. You might think that it's leaking under here from the seal, guys. I don't know.
I hope not.
I gotta throw this away.
No.
Yeah, guys, the old radiator hose was leaking right under here, and I hope it's not the seal right here. I hope it's the radiator hose, but we're gonna put the new one on and see. Right now I'm draining it. RTV the housing, because I guess they sent, like I said, they sent O'Reilly's. I guess O'Reilly's works with a company named Dorman, and they sent them the wrong one, or somewhere the company Dorman, they switched out the cast iron one, and they gave me aluminum one, and I ordered it. It cost me $34, so I returned it, and I'm just gonna RTV it. So right now we're checking to see if it has any holes. What do you think?
I don't think it was a hose.
Yeah.
The hose probably had holes in it.
Under here, guys, it might be, but it looks pretty good. Hopefully, the test will tell.
You can see how close the gasket was to the edge. Everything that's right there in black,
Yeah.
that was an opening of the gasket. That's right there. So you didn't have shit for it.
So even Permatex might not work.
Well, I'm sure Permatex will work.
Use the file, huh?
Yep.
We're trying to get a smooth surface on there, guys, so it can stick properly, and I don't have no sandpaper or anything like that, or a wire wheel or nothing. Oh, you want it shiny like that?
Well, no, I just wanted to make sure it was flat. Make sure there's no gasket material stuck to it. By using a flat file.
Man, that thermostat got disgustingly dirty. I got like sludge, or what is it called?
Yeah, slush.
I got slushy. I got slushy. I got DJ slushy in my radiator. DJ slush. So now we made it. My uncle smoothed the surface down too.
Yeah, it's gonna be a little bit.
That doesn't want to come off. Oh, we don't use the plastic little thing?
No, I don't.
So just like that?
Mm-hmm.
Well, that's how you do it. Right here is fine?
Yeah, that's fine.
You just spread it out like that or what? How do you, because it dries, right? It said, I read it and it said it kind of dries and you gotta like, you form it or what?
Yeah. Right there it's formed. Gotta wait till it gets a little hard, and then it's gonna take it a while though.
That's cool. Wow, that's so cool. I've never done gaskets like this, guys, with RTV. Wow. It's really cool. So we gotta wait like 30 minutes? We're waiting like 20 minutes, 30 minutes?
I think about another 5-10 minutes. It's already starting to get hard. You want it to get hard, that way when you go to put it on, this right here won't fall off. So you can touch it and it
And
doesn't
it
stick to my
feels-
finger. Don't touch it real hard, just like
Oh, okay. It's like a sticky. It's getting there. You can feel it. That's cool. Wow, I never messed with the RTV stuff like that. And done. This is another level for me. Yeah, so we're gonna wait on that, guys, and then just put it on.
Once you tighten it up, then you can wait about another 30 minutes. Let it dry up to that.
Oh, okay.
In other words, let it marry. Let them get together.
Now we're gonna set it on there, guys. I gotta get the plug, guys, for the radiator, and I think it's in here somewhere. Oh my gosh. Show you how good this watch is. Invitica. Yeah, guys, I put this watch through everything. This is a good watch. You guys should check it out. But I'm gonna put this back on here.
Yeah, this one's gonna fit. This one's gonna fit. Well, we can make it fit. Where's the whole clamp? Which one was which?
This is for that one from that, yeah, this one goes there.
So this one's
That one's for the bottom one.
this one's gonna
Someone's burning a tortilla. Or someone's burning a tortilla. Tortilla. So the bottom one clamped, Uncle?
Yeah.
You don't think we could slide it between this crack right here? It won't fit, right? It's the rubber's too thick.
Yeah. Give it another 20 minutes and then we'll tighten them up a little bit more.
Oh yeah.
See the way all the RTB's coming out once I snugged it up?
Yeah, like it went like a little gasket around, huh?
Yeah.
Alright guys, now we're gonna tie. We waited like 20 minutes, so now we're tightening it. Tightening it up.
Yeah.
Bro, I'm trying to vlog here, bro. So yeah, it's already bolted down, guys.
This is where I struck it right here.
Oh, you struck it, Uncle? You think it'll... Oh shit, that's a little one, huh?
That's what I'm looking at. I don't see a hole in it, but we'll find out.
Everything's all tightened up. I think we're gonna put the fluid in there now, guys.
See this? I can see water right here.
Yeah, I was touching it like that. Like there's not that much fluid there. Like not that much gasket.
And I put that summer gun everywhere. And there's no pressure on it.
And it's just leaking.
And it's leaking.
I don't think it's gonna work, guys. I think that thermostat housing is just totally fucked. It's totally messed up, guys.
See, this side's drier.
Oh, that side's awesome. It's just that thin side.
Yeah.
Do you know? I don't remember when I was taking it off. Did it have a lot of RTV on that side? Probably did, right?
I'll be honest with you, I can't remember.
I don't remember either. I'm gonna look on the videos maybe, but
that is very little, very thin. This material right here is real thin.
I'm just gonna order that aluminum one that's $10.